Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 3 on the topic of chapter 10, fill in the blanks and short question. I am repeating our topic again. Our today's topic is chapter 10, fill in the blanks and short question. Students, this is our 11th lecture and 10th SW. I am repeating, this is our 11th lecture and 10th SW. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. First, we'll discuss about filling the blanks and short questions, and then you have to put them in your notebook. So, let's begin. Students, we'll start with fill in the blanks. Number 1, Bangabandhu was born on 17th March, gap. You have to write here. You have to fill the gap. So, do you know when Bangabandhu was born? I hope you know the answer because we have learned the summary or learned about chapter 10. So, you will find the answer in chapter 10, lesson 1. Students, open your book and come to page number 58. Look at this sentence. He was born on 17th March 1920 in Tungipara, a village in Gopalganj district. Here he means Bangabandhu. Bangabandhu was born on 17th March 1920. So in the gap you have to write 1920. So I am writing here 1920. Then the sentence will be Bangabandhu was born on 17th March 1920. Come to number 2. Bangabandhu declared gap demand in 1966. Can you say what happened in 1966? Students, for this answer, come to lesson 1. Look here. In 1966, he declared a 6-point demand for the liberation of the people of East Bengal. So, he declared a 6-point demand. In the gap, you have to write 6 point. I am repeating, you have to write 6 point. Now, I am writing in the gap 6 point. 6 hyphen point. P-O-I-N-T. Point. 6 point. Bangabandhu declared 6-point demand in 1966. Now come to number 3. Bangladesh became independent under the dash of Bangabandhu. Students, can you guess what will be in the gap? Bangladesh became independent under the leadership of Bangabandhu. You'll find the answer in lesson 2. Come here. Look this. Bangladesh became independent under the leadership of Bangabandhu. So in the gap, you have to write leadership. I'm writing the word leadership. Spell with me L-E-A-D-E-R-S-H-I-P. Leadership. Bangladesh became independent under the leadership of Bangabandhu. Students, we have done fill in the blanks. Now we'll discuss about short question 1, 2, 3. From this chapter, we'll discuss short question 1, 2, 3. So take your notebook and be attentive. Short question. Our first question is, where was Bangabandhu born? I am repeating, our question is, where was Bangabandhu born? The answer is Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born on 17th March 1920 in Tungipara, a village in Gopalganj district. I am repeating the answer again. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born on 17th March 1920 in Tungipara, a village in Gopalganj district. Students, now we'll discuss about short question 2. When and where did Bangabandhu give his famous speech? The question is, when and where did Bangabandhu give his famous speech? The answer is on 7th March 1971 at the Racecourse Maidan in Dhaka, Bangabandhu gave his famous speech. The answer is on 7th March 1971 at the Racecourse Maidan in Dhaka, Bangabandhu gave his famous speech. Now, last number 3. How was Bangabandhu murdered? I am repeating the question. How was Bangabandhu murdered? The answer will be Bangabandhu along with his family were murdered on 15th August 1975 by a group of conspirators. You know conspirators who were against Bangabandhu. I am repeating the answer again. Bangabandhu along with his family were murdered on 15th August 1975 by a group of conspirators. Students, we know that this was very mournful for the whole country, for us. Now students, it's time to your homework. Your homework will be fill in the blanks or FB. It means these 3 fill in the blanks will be your homework. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 11 and homework number is 10. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.